What's up, everyone? So glad you are part of this. In this video segment, 210 minus 210, which equals 0, times 210 minus 210 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 210 times 210 equals 44,100. So we have 210 minus 44,100 minus 210, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 210 minus 44,100, which equals minus 43,890. So we have minus 43,890 minus 210, which equals minus 44,100. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to be part of today's adventure.